If you're a Blackstone owner, I can guarantee one of your favorite things to make on your griddle is stir fry. In this video, I'm going to show you one of my quick weeknight meals for my kiddos. It's chicken and shrimp stir fry, loaded with veggies, zhuzhed up with the new sweet honey Bachans Japanese BBQ Sauce. This one is so fast and so tasty. You guys are going to love making this for your next weeknight dinner. Stir fry on the Blackstone is always a go-to, easy to switch up and use any kind of noodles, rice, or pasta. And when it comes to veggies, simply use whatever you have on hand. For me, this is a great way to get my kids eating a lot of vegetables. To stretch a buck for meals for the 2 kids and myself, I use half a pack of boneless chicken thighs cut up, using the other half for tacos or quesadillas later in the week, along with some shrimp. I marinate both in garlic and ginger paste, and I'm using the Bachans Japanese BBQ Sauce, their new sweet honey. I'll also use half of a head of cabbage chopped up and find something else to roll over the rest of this cabbage for in another meal this week. We love extra green onions, so I slice some of the whites and then chop the middle section. These I'll use in the stir fry to cook with, then slice the ends and save them for garnishing. Now my udon noodles are cooked and ready to go, so let's get our Blackstone set to medium high heat. I like to clean off my griddle with water before I start to cook, just to make sure it's nice and clean. Then I go over it with a thin layer of oil across the entire surface. This will keep my seasoning nice and even each and every time I cook. We move fast with this entire cook using sesame oil and a little avocado oil. Our cabbage and broccoli will go down on our left side first, followed by our marinated chicken, which can be marinated overnight for even deeper flavor. Adding oil as needed, we add some ginger and garlic paste, then shredded carrots and sliced mushrooms. Getting this all tossed together. Keep our chicken moving as well, allowing the outside to sear really nicely on all sides. We drop down our marinated shrimp. Now these shrimp cook super fast, so after a minute we'll give them a flip, then get everything married together, tossing it, adding our cooked udon noodles, a little extra ginger and garlic paste, some soy sauce, and a little oil if needed to help loosen up these noodles. Then the last minute or so of our cook, we add bean sprouts, which is one of my favorites in a stir fry. It adds just the perfect crunch. Drizzle over our Bachans sweet honey Japanese BBQ sauce, give all that a toss, then finish with toasted sesame seeds and a drizzle of extra sesame oil, and of course garnishing with our sliced green onions. This dish is so quick and easy, also so versatile, which I love, using up anything I have on hand in the fridge. A small handful of ingredients makes so much food that there's always leftovers for lunches during the week. While this cools off, my griddle is still on, so I'm going to simply scrape everything left behind into the rear grease drain or right off of the griddle. Because we did use a sauce and I can see some of that stuck to the surface, a little water goes down to steam lift it right off. With the help of my scraper, this is clean. Then a drizzle of oil spread evenly across keeps my Blackstone ready for the next cook. Cleanup should only take a minute or 2 at the most before it's time to dig into your food. Now Bachans makes a handful of different flavors that are great to add into your next stir fry, and I cannot wait to see which one of you guys at home enjoys this one. I'm Blackstone Betty. Thanks for watching another family style favorite. I will see you guys in the next video.